Welcome to my channel for a new recipe. Today I am sharing with you how to make the most delicious and perfectly moist chocolate cupcakes. They're the best, super fluffy and very chocolatey with a delicious chocolate buttercream. This recipe is very easy and better than any store-bought cake mix. And I will share with you my secret ingredient to have the most delicious chocolatey cupcakes. So stay tuned for the recipe. You will find a list of all the ingredients for this recipe in the description box. First, preheat the oven at 180 degrees. Then in a bowl, sift 125 grams of all-purpose flour, and 40 grams of unsweetened cocoa powder. Sift 200 grams of sugar, a quarter teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of baking soda. Mix well and set aside. In another bowl, pour 120 ml of buttermilk, 80 ml of oil, one egg, one teaspoon of vanilla extract, and my secret ingredient, 120 ml of cold coffee. Believe me, your cupcakes won't taste the coffee. The coffee will only enhance the chocolate. And mix well. Now pour the dry ingredients gradually and stir well until well combined. And do the same after each adding. If you are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe if you haven't done it yet and click on the bell to receive notifications. I post videos regularly. Then pour the butter into a jug as it's a bit liquidy and it will help when pouring into the cupcake cases. Line 12 cupcake cases into a tray and pour the butter into the cases, but only 3/4 full. Don't fill the cases to the top or your cupcakes will overflow. And feel free to leave me a comment if you have any questions. Tap the tray a little bit to release the air and bake at 180 degrees for 18 to 20 minutes or until the toothpick comes out clean. And once cooked, let them completely cool down. For the frosting, pour 115 grams of butter. The butter must be soft and not melted. And beat until fluffy. Add 40 grams of unsweetened cocoa powder. And beat. Then add a quarter teaspoon of salt and 220 grams of icing sugar gradually. And beat well between each adding. Then add 1 teaspoon of vanilla paste or extract and 2 tablespoons of whole milk or double cream if you prefer. And beat until fluffy. And transfer the frosting into a piping bag if you have one, or just use a spoon to decorate your cupcakes. And now we can start decorating our cupcakes with the delicious chocolate frosting. You can use a piping bag to decorate your cupcakes or decorate them as you like. Et voila, the cupcakes are ready. They are very easy to make, super moist and delicious. And now you can make them completely from scratch. Let me know in the comment what is your favorite cupcake flavors. Chocolate, vanilla, salted caramel or red velvet. Bon appétit! I hope you liked this recipe and don't forget to share the video with your friends and family. Like and subscribe if you haven't done it yet. Thank you, and I'll see you soon for new recipes.